Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can create a GitHub account and then how we can upload all our files to the GitHub repository. So first of all, open the github.com and then click on sign up. Once you click on this, you will see here all the details. You need to fill the email, password, username, your country, and then click on continue. So I already have an account. Let's click on the sign in. So once you create an account, you need to sign in. And then once you sign in, your dashboard look like this. In the left side, you will see here the repositories. We need to click on the new button to create the repositories. So repositories, so repo means these are the folders in the GitHub where you can upload all the files. Okay, so let's click on this new, and you can see you have a repository name. Then you need to define the name. Okay, so suppose I need to upload one file. Okay, and my repository name is web. Okay, this is my repo name, new web, and I can describe here description like my website, all data and files. Okay, and there's a two options like public and private. Once you choose public, so all the files anyone can access from your repo. But when you make it private, so only the person. But when you make it private, so no one can access your repositories. But you need but if you want to share your files, so you need to invite them and then they can access your files. So I'll make it public so anyone can access my all the files. You can just check this to add readme, and then you can choose the license also. Suppose you created some software to make them as a GNU general public license, so anyone can use it. Okay, and then just click on create repository. Done. Now you can see we have two files. Now we need to upload all other files. Okay, so how we can do this? So there's two options. You can use the command, you can use the UI. So I'm going to use the UI. Now you can see the add files option. Click on this and click on upload files. Now you can drag and drop all the files here. So go here, and as you can see here, I have a files here, all these files. Just select all these files, or you can select the one by one file and just drag and drop all these files here. Done. You can see all the files started uploading. Just wait some seconds. Now all the files uploaded. Make sure, scroll down, you can see the commit changes. Make sure do this, otherwise no file will be uploaded here. Okay, make sure click on commit changes and processing your files. Just wait some seconds and it's done. Now we can see anyone can access. Let me just copy this URL, and in incognito anyone can access your files because all these files are public. In the right side, you will see the technology. You can see the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript used in all your files. This is really a fantastic. And I'm going to just delete my files. So how can I do this? So click on the license and then click on three dot and just scroll down. You can see the delete file and just commit changes. Delete license. Like this, you can delete the files and you can upload the more files here. So finally, we have learned how we can create a GitHub account, and then how we can create a repository, and then how we can finally upload our projects file into GitHub. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.